Today, we will make a light-sensing emergency LED circuit. This is the power supply core, the 7805 voltage regulator IC. It stabilizes the output to 5 volts, providing a clean reference for the control circuit, ensuring the system can't make mistakes. 4N4007 diodes form a bridge rectifier. It's like an electronic phantom switch, which converts the AC from the transformer into pulsating DC. Solder a 25-volt, 470 microfarad electrolytic capacitor. It's like a miniature reservoir, charged during wind, discharging in valleys. It smooths the pulsating DC into a stable DC bus. This LED is a vital sign light. As long as the 5-volt output is normal, it will light up, indicating that the power supply is ready. A 1000 ohm resistor is connected in series. Use the simplest Ohm's law to protect the LED to prevent overcurrent and burning. These two diodes are the secret of automatic switching. The cathodes are connected to the load, and the anodes are connected to 5 volts and battery. When the power is normal, it is powered by 5 volts, the battery path is cut off. When power fails, the battery is instantly connected. It takes over seamlessly, without even a flicker of the light. Solder in a 10,000 ohm resistor as a pull-up resistor, ensuring a high-level output when the transistor is off. 1000 ohms is used for current limiting. Build the light control skeleton. A 1000 ohm potentiometer is a sensitivity knob. It can precisely set the light threshold for lighting. Whether it turns on early or fully dark depends on it. The core sensor is a photosensitive resistor. LDR is the eyes of the system. The stronger the light, the smaller the resistance increases sharply. It senses light and dark. BC548 processes LDR signals. It connects to the voltage dividing point. When it gets darker, the positive voltage drops, the transistor is cut off. To pave the way for the next stage of lighting, positive to ground and parallel a 0.1 microfarad capacitor to filter out ambient light noise. Prevent the light from flickering at the critical point. Simply install an N-channel MOSFET. R540 is used as power switch. When BC548 is turned off, the collector is on, and the electric conduction through the pull-up resistor, allowing large current to flow to the light beads across a 10 kΩ resistor, ensuring reliable pull-down when powered on. Preventing the MOSFET from being misconducted. Prevent accidental flashing. Solder 3 1-watt high brightness LEDs in series, and connect to the negative power supply through a current-limiting resistor. Connect the RF540 drain. The MOSFET conducts and bursts. To provide real emergency bright light, install the energy system. The battery holder accommodates 18,650 backup batteries. The transformer reduces the 230 volts AC. It is sent to the rectifier bridge. Install a 3.7-volt lithium battery. The dual power supply is ready. The circuit ingeniously uses a step-down transformer to convert the AC voltage to 12 volts AC. Then, after rectification, it becomes direct current. Here, a bridge rectifier is used to complete the rectification task. The indicator light is like a helpful assistant, which always lights up, telling you whether the DC power is online. The 7805 regulator stably supplies 5 volts to the control part. To provide stable output, the photosensitive part is even more interesting. It relies on a photosensitive resistor and a 10 kΩ variable resistor. To adjust the sensitivity, when there is sufficient light, the photosensitive resistor is fully open. Current conducts the transistor. The transistor then pulls down the gate of the MOSFET to ground, and the LED array turns off once the environment gets darker. The photoresistor immediately stops the current. The transistor turns off. The MOSFET takes the opportunity to open the channel. The current flows through. The LED array automatically lights up, instantly illuminating the surrounding circuits. It also has a 3.7-volt battery. As a backup power source, even if the main power source is temperamental, the circuit can still work full of energy. This is a simple and practical an automatic lighting and emergency backup power project. It's fun and reliable.